The woods stir with ancient magic. I am the guardian. I protect these ancient trees. Walk with me and feel the pulse of the wild.
The forest is lively today. The wind whispers many secrets. Aye, a new family of rabbits has settled by the old oak.
Vi ses. Ah, yes. See you later. Back to your birdhouses, I suppose. You know me too well.
The squirrels have been very busy this season,
Indeed, their chatter keeps me company.
and the rain last night was music to my ears. Well met, friend. Aye. The forest feels different today. Yes, the wind whispers of change.
Perhaps you should report this to our leader.
The forest seems anxious today, sire.
Then we must listen. Other trolls have alerted me about changes in the forest.
Danger is nigh. Oh dear, not again. Ouch!
Excited! No! I beg thee, stop!
Everything does seem to be getting back to normal now.